AI has completely changed the way you should be dropshipping in 2024. If you're watching this video, you probably know what dropshipping is. It's a super simple business model that's completely changed my life, but dropshipping is constantly evolving. What once worked in 2018 to 2021 is not what's going to work now in 2024. In this video, I'll be breaking down how I used AI to build me a brand new Shopify store and scale it up to over $28,200 in less than 1 week. We're going to use AI to completely build us a Shopify brand from scratch, find us winning products, design our logo, and even fully design our product pages all within 15 minutes. All right, guys, so here it is, $28,298 on a brand new store that was completely built out by AI. Let's do a quick refresh check for you guys. So there you can see it, $28,000, over 1,215 total orders, and a conversion rate of 4.67%. Now this is a pretty good conversion rate, so the fact that this was completely built out by AI is insane. So now let's go into the exact AI tools I used to completely build out this store from scratch and scale to a ridiculous number like this in just 1 week. All right, guys, so the first tool is going to be DropBase.ai. Basically, DropBase.ai is an AI software that me and my team have been working on for over the last 6 months, and it's going to build you a custom winning Shopify store from scratch. You get to pick the niche that you want, you get to customize it with colors and banners, and it's going to build everything for you instantly and upload it to your Shopify store. Not only is it going to build you a brand from scratch, but it's also going to load your store with dozens of untapped winning products. And the best part is that DropBase is completely free, so we don't charge you anything. This AI is going to build you your Shopify store from scratch and load it with winning products for completely free. I also just revealed the winning product I used to scale this store to over $28,000 in the DropBase Discord. So go ahead and join for completely free, and I'll see you guys in there. So after you join, you're just going to come over here to the brand builder section in the AI resources tab, and go ahead and sign up and click build my brand right here. And that's going to take you to the DropBase AI brand builder. So you're going to come to a screen like this. Basically, it's going to walk you through a few steps where you're going to be able to pick your niche, customize your store a little bit, and then our AI is going to walk you through how you're going to import it to your store in seconds. A lot of people have been asking me in the Discord and in the comments of my last video of what niche they should pick or what niche is the best selling niche. I always recommend that you pick the niche that you are most interested in. So that way you're going to be selling products that you actually care about, and you're not selling products that really mean nothing to you. I found that this is the best way to stay motivated with your store and not quit after a couple of days, because you're actually super passionate or actually care about the products that you're selling. So for the store that I showed earlier in this video, we did the beauty and health niche. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. So go ahead and click your niche right here and then click next. The next thing that we're going to do is it's going to ask us to choose some colors. So for beauty and health, you can choose whatever colors you want your store to be, but I'm going to go for this pink color. Then we get to add a couple of customization elements and graphic design elements to our banner. So it might be a little hard to see, but up here you can see that I'm actually adjusting what the design looks like on our store. So we're going to go ahead and choose this one right here. I like how that looks. And then we're going to choose a banner that's going to be displayed on our homepage. You have a couple of different options to choose from, but we'll just go ahead and choose this one. I think that looks like a super professional, like skincare health brand, and we customized everything in like 30 seconds. After you customize everything, just click finish, and our AI is going to walk you through step by step on setting it up to your Shopify account in seconds. So I just completed some steps to connect it to my Shopify store, and now you can see it's installing everything from the niche to the color palette to the banner and image that we selected before, and it should be ready in less than 1 minute. And just like that, everything was built out and imported to our Shopify store. So let's go ahead and take a look. As you can see, this is the banner that we picked out. Everything is automatically installed. Our custom theme has been installed on the Shopify store. They even loaded it with untapped winning products that come pre-connected to our USA suppliers who are going to ship your products within 3 to 7 days. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of these products. Our color scheme, everything looks amazing. We have these little icons here, and we even have product copy built out for all of the products that were installed on your store. So as you can see, our AI has completely written everything. It's chosen pictures, and it even has a little icon section as well as reviews down here, guys. So everything was completely built out for you. There's just a couple things that we need to change, like adding profile pictures to these reviews. And obviously we want to go ahead and change our logo. We want to build an actual brand. We don't want to build a spammy Shopify store. So we're we're gonna need a good logo to put on our brand. And that's gonna bring us to our second AI tool, Looka. Click the link in the description or head over to the DropBase Discord where you're gonna find an exclusive link to get a special discount with them. But basically, they have an AI that's gonna build your whole brand identity for you. It's gonna build your logo. It's gonna give you a ton of different mock-ups to show you how you can use your logo for your business. So let's go ahead and jump in here. The only thing we're gonna need to do is enter our company name, and it's gonna do the rest for you, all through AI. We're gonna go ahead and think of a company name that relates to the type of products that we want to sell on our store. So since we're doing beauty and the health niche, we'll try to come up with something. We'll just call it Health Boutique. We'll click Get Started, and then enter a few keywords that relate to our industry. So we're gonna do health and beauty, click continue. And then it's gonna ask you to pick some logos that you like, that's gonna design your logo around. It's gonna use these logos that you pick as inspiration and show you some logos that you would like depending on what kind of style you want. So for health and beauty, this logo looks really good. I like that one, these two. You can pick as many as you want, but the more you pick, it's gonna give the AI a better idea of what type of logo that you want for your store. So we'll go ahead and just choose that one. That one's really nice. Click continue. We wanna match the color scheme that DropBase built for us, so we'll go with pink. And you can add a slogan, but it's optional, so just leave our company name, Health Boutique. Click continue. Choose a couple of symbol types of things that we want to relate to our brand. So health, fitness, beauty, a heart would be cool. Maybe lipstick, skincare, and maybe relax. And we'll click continue. And Looka is gonna start generating some logos for you. It's gonna show you a ton of options, so you're not gonna like all of them, but that's kind of the point. It's gonna show you a ton of different options, so you're gonna be able to narrow down and pick your perfect logo for your brand. So after going through a lot of these, I think I like this one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and click it. And here it's gonna give you a couple different options that you can build upon. But we're gonna go ahead and click pink, see if there's anything else that it can give us. No, but I really like this option here. But as you can see, they built out your whole brand identity for you. So after you choose a logo that you like, you'll be able to see it with business cards on your social media. They even have some mock-ups here that if you had a brick and mortar store or something like that, you'd be able to see what your logo would look like. We're not going to be doing a ton of in-person stuff. We're going to be drop shipping. So a lot of this stuff we're not going to need. But this one right here, it's going to show you what your logo will look like on TikTok or Instagram, which is huge. I think this logo looks amazing. So we're going to go ahead and sign up and download it and then import it to our store. Just like that, we have our brand fully built out. We have our banner, we have our winning products, and now we have our branding and our logo. So this is super awesome. We'll go ahead and see what it looks like on mobile. And it looks amazing, guys. This is a whole brand we built that looks better than most people's dropshipping stores that they spend hours and hours on. And this was completely built for us by AI in minutes. There's no excuse now, guys, for you to not succeed with dropshipping in 2024. Now this AI will do web design for you, product copy, logo design. There's no excuse. So now the final thing we're gonna do is use an AI to completely build out our product pages for us so that when we run ads to them or make organic TikTok videos, our product pages look super nice and people will actually buy from us. And that tool is called PagePilot.ai. There's gonna be a link for it in the description. You can also find it in the DropBase Discord along with those other AIs that we used earlier in this video. Not only is PagePilot going to help you find winning products, if you come over here to the research tab, they're going to show you a ton of different ads of people that are currently killing it with dropshipping, and you can take inspiration from how they do their ads, what kind of products they pick. But not only that, PagePilot.ai is going to completely build a custom, professionally designed product page for us using AI in seconds. So come over here to the products tab. And basically how it works is you're going to submit a link of one of your products. Base just imported a ton of winning products. So you'll just copy the link from one of those products onto here, or you can even find your product on AliExpress. They have a couple options if you wanted to source a product from Amazon or eBay coming soon, but right now the only two options are Shopify and AliExpress. So let's take one of the products that DropBase just gave us and we'll import it here onto PagePilot.ai. So here we go. We're on our Shopify store and we're going to look for one of these products that DropBase just gave us. We'll go ahead and just do this beauty makeup brush. So after we pick what product we want to use, come over here to AliExpress and search up the product. The reason we're going to do this is AliExpress has a ton of different product options and all of those products have a ton of images. So PagePilot is going to take those images from AliExpress and then use it to build us a product page. So we'll go ahead and type in that beauty makeup brush, and we'll try to find that same product that was installed on our Shopify store. So here it is right here. We'll go ahead and click it. And then all we need to do is copy the AliExpress link, and then we're going to import it to PagePilot. Just paste it in there. And then it's also going to ask us if you want to write a specific product angle. I'll just leave this blank and let AI do its thing. We can also select what language it's going to write our product descriptions in. Since I'm going to be dropshipping this in the United States, I'm going to leave this as English. But if you're in Europe, you can switch the language depending on what country you're going to be dropshipping in. And just like that, PagePilot is going to get to work. Since it has to write everything from scratch, it's going to take around 3 minutes. So I'll check back in when everything has been written. It's been like a minute and a half, and look at this. Everything has been completely built out by PagePilot. It used those product images that were on AliExpress, and it wrote out a complete product page for us in like 30 seconds. So we'll scroll through here and see what it did. As you can see, there's some emoji selling points. Those look super good. We have a couple of icons here, and it even wrote a completely AI generated review right under our checkout button, which looks amazing. And it even wrote all of these little selling points here that relate to each one of our images on our product page. This is absolutely insane. This is what I use to scale. This is what I use for my product page. This is exactly what I did to build a product page of the product I mentioned earlier in this video that did over $28,000. Just like that, we used AI to completely build us a Shopify brand from scratch, load it with winning products, build us a logo, and even professionally design our product pages all within like 15 minutes. This is the exact steps that I took to build that Shopify brand I mentioned at the beginning of this video from scratch and scale it to over $28,000 in less than 1 week. AI has made it easier than ever to succeed with dropshipping. So in 2024, there are no longer any excuses as to why you can't start. So go ahead, click the link in the description and join DropBase for completely free and get your custom built AI Shopify brand loaded with winning products. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.